A friend of ours had introduced us to the concept of Waldorf School. To me, it was pretty clear, probably the moment we walked in, that Cedarwood was the right place for us. There's just something so gentle and magical about it. Right away, there's this feeling that this is like where I wish that I had gone to school.
My dad had the typical reaction that most parents have when they go into a Waldorf setting. And they're like, I wish that I had gone to this place.
It's a great place to find things that you are good at and to feel like you are capable. I think it also is great to have like different teachers that have different approaches to things, because the thing that works for one person doesn't always work for another person. And I think that they really know that and recognize that.
What I felt when I landed here was that there's been this really conscientious cultivation of the community life here.
When you have a place that has community, that not only are the teachers involved in your success and all of the staff, but the parents are there watching and they're supporting each other too. So while Cedarwood's an amazing place for children, it's also a really wonderful place for the parents, and a place where the parents can find camaraderie and support for each other. It's difficult for any parent to make that decision of where am I going to send my child, because particularly in the beginning, you start them in a certain place and that's where they jump off to.
Worrying about whether or not we made the right decision to send Miller to the right school is just a non-issue, because we feel so at home here at Cedarwood.
Choosing Cedarwood, what your child will come out with is a wonder for the world and an eagerness to be present and a participant, not only in the community, but sort of in the nature around us.
Young children are going through stages of development, and that there are lessons for them at every different stage that they go through. And if we can meet them where they're at, it will serve them not just for their educational life, but far into the future.
I think Cedarwood worked for me, and I know it worked for me because I came away from there and I loved learning, and I still do. And I think this is where you learn how to learn, not just learn facts. And I think I learned how to learn here.